is my favorite playground.
Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Ooh, beautiful girl. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Liza.
Wow, I like it. I am Cat. My name is Cat. Let's play together. Liza, play with me. Play with me. Play with me.
Okay.
I love you, Liza. Play with me. Play with me. I like it. Hooray! I like it. Play with me. Play with me.
Okay.
Liza, I love you. Play with me. Play with me. Liza, play with me. Play with me.
Okay. I like this.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Play with me. Play with me.
Okay.
Oi, oi, oi. Wanya, wanya, wakachapachacha. Play with me. Play with me.
Okay. Oh. Wow. Wow.
Play with me.
Look at this. This is your surprise.
Wow.
It's a dollhouse.
Pink. I like pink.
Hi, I'm a little baby. Look at me. Mama. I love you, Granddad.
Come here, baby.
Yeah. I can do snow magic.
Snow magic.
I'm coming to save you. Mommy, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the shelf. Help. I will get you out. Who are you? I'm Elsa.
Elsa. So, you wanna go out for a date?
Yeah, I can do snow magic.
Okay.
Do you want to show you?
No, I don't want to. I know it's fake.
And that's not fake. I can show you.
Whoa, what? Just froze that girl.
Wow.
This one.
Wow, wow, wow.
I froze that girl down. But you said so. Help!
I'm freezing right now, or I'm going to jail. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
And I'm going home. See ya.
Hello, horse. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is just Horse.
Horse. My name is just Cat.
This is my daughter.
Elsa.
Hi, kitty.
Show me your snow magic.
Okay.
Wow.
But only can't do snow magic.
Wow, this is real magic. Wow, I like your color. Are you green?
No.
Blue?
No.
Orange. Orange.
No, it's not. I will tell you which one.
Ah.
It's purple.
Wow! Purple! I like it. Amazing. What is this?
It's a horse.
Blue and pink.
Yeah.
I like it. Liza, I have a surprise for you.
Wow!
Wow, what's
All in space.
Yes, that is so cool. Wow.
Look at it. Oh,
That is really hot, isn't it, guys? That looks like real stars, guys.
yeah, because it is real stars.
I'm going to actually, but this looks like a water space. Surprise, Kitty! I like it, Kitty. Wow.
This is space and stars and planets. Wow!
Wow, there's no stars in here. Thank you, Kitty. That's a nice surprise. I like it. Bye, guys. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to see some more cool videos and maybe more. You never know. Peace out.
Bye!